Guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing a best of 2017 eyeshadow palettes. I have a ton of eyeshadow palettes. I actually give them away a lot of times to my friends because I have too many. But I did want to show you guys the ones that I have been grabbing and like really drawing me in all year long. And you will see that a lot of these palettes are very used. These you can get at the drugstore, and a lot of them you can get at Sephora and Ulta. So let's go ahead and start with the first one that I have been obsessed with. I have been obsessed with the Tardiest Pro. You can get this at Sephora. This is absolutely amazing. These colors in here are like a lot are matte. Like all of this is matte, and then you have 4 shimmer shadows. Oh, look at that, my reflection. Yeah, 4 shimmer shadows, and you can see I have been dipping into this quite a bit. This has actually been the newest one in my collection that I have been grabbing like all the flippin' time. Okay, now let's go over to drugstore. I have been using these palettes. Look at this. Look how much I use these palettes. You can see that some of them are like, some of these shadows are practically gone, you know? Look at these. So these are the eyeshadow palettes by Wet n Wild. This one is called Coming in Latte. This is an amazing palette. That's, I think, the one that I've been grabbing a lot. And you look at, I mean, just look at how much I use these shadows. They are absolutely amazing. This is Nude Awakening, and this is Bare Necessities. These are extremely, extremely pigmented. I think these shadows go for, I don't know, $10 or $5, something like that. If you can't find these eyeshadows in your local grocery store or Walmart, you can buy them online. You can start buying products online now. Let's go to the next one. You can get this at Ulta. This is the Morphe palette. Now, if you want gold, you got gold. Look at this. I'm just gonna swatch these 2 shades right here. These are the shimmers, like absolutely amazing. This is $18. You get like 25 shades or something like that. Actually very, very affordable, and especially being that pigmented. Let's go ahead and move on to the next Morphe palette. So I love natural colors. I love taupes, actually. I love taupe colors, khakis, things like that in my eyes. And so I have fallen in love. There's the sheet still on it. But you can see these colors. These are absolutely stunning colors. Let me just kind of swatch these 2. Let me just look at that. I love these colors in the eyes. I have been obsessed and loving on this palette. And this palette, the number is 35T. You get 35 colors for $22. You know, that is an amazing deal. The other, and look, just kind of show you how pigmented. Just those 2 swatches. Okay, let's go to Avon. This has been a love for many years. They still make it. This is called Mocha Latte. This palette here runs for $5 to $8. Look at that. Do you think I love it? I hit pan on it. Yeah, I totally hit pan. Now, those are all of my top favorites. I am going to have to show you guys, though, the individual ones, even though I said it was all palettes. The Stila. These Stila liquid eyeshadows. Okay, let me just show you this really quick, guys. I know that the full size is expensive. It is about $20, $25 in shadow, which that is expensive. But let me just kind of, do you see the, oh my gosh, in it? It is amazing. These are for special occasions or every day if you guys are full glam, but mostly special occasions. I did notice you cannot wear them like every day because they're a tad bit drying, and so you don't want your eyes to be overly dry. Let me grab this one. Let me just show you. Look at that. So you put this on the lid. It's absolutely amazing. This is Kitten, and this one is called Diamond Dust. These are absolutely stunning, and please don't be tricked by the ColourPop ones because they are nothing in comparison. Now, when I talk to you about ColourPop, I'm just going to pull you down a little bit. You can see how much I love ColourPop. These are the ColourPop pods, are totally different. These actually weren't very good, but the ColourPop pods, they're pods, and they're very cushiony, very soft. And the color pigmentation on them are absolutely amazing. I love the ultra glitters that they have. These are called the Super Shock Shadows or something. Yeah, Super Shock Shadows. I love the ultra glitters and the ultra metallics. Those are absolutely amazing. But those are my top palettes and my top single shadows for 2017. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tell me, do you guys have any of these colors? If you do, tell me what you think. You know, do you love it as much as I do? I hope you guys liked my video so much that you push that thumbs up. I am Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.